Today, my friends, we embark on a delectable journey through time and taste buds as we uncover the captivating history behind traditional Romanian Mămăligă, or as some might call it, Polenta. But before we dive into the bubbling pot of history, let's ponder a pressing question. What makes a humble dish like mamaliga such a timeless classic? Is it its comforting texture, its versatility in pairing with various ingredients, or perhaps its ability to unite families around the dinner table? Well, my friends, subscribe and stick around, and we shall uncover the secrets together. Our journey begins centuries ago, in the picturesque landscapes of Romania, where the fertile soil yielded a bounty of maize, the primary ingredient of mamaliga. Picture this: hard-working peasants toiling in the fields under the golden sun, their hands calloused from tilling the earth. It was amidst these rustic surroundings that mamaliga found its humble beginnings. Maize, introduced to Europe from the New World, quickly became a staple crop in Romanian agriculture. The peasants, resourceful and ingenious, sought ways to transform this humble grain into nourishing sustenance that would fuel their laborious days. And thus, mamaliga was born, crafted from a simple mixture of maize flour, water, and a pinch of salt. This porridge-like dish provided sustenance to those who worked the land with tireless dedication. Its preparation was a labor of love, often cooked in large pots over open flames, filling the air with an aroma that would draw families together around the dinner table. Mamaliga wasn't just a meal, it was a symbol of resilience, embodying the spirit of a people who found solace and strength in the simple pleasures of life. As the centuries passed, mamaliga evolved from a humble peasant dish to a culinary icon, but its essence remained unchanged. A testament to the enduring legacy of tradition and the profound connection between food and culture. As the wheels of time turned, so did the popularity of mamaliga, propelling it from humble peasant fare to princely delicacy. But how did this simple dish capture the hearts and palates of a nation? During the Renaissance period, mamaliga transcended social boundaries, gracing the tables of both the common folk and the nobility alike. Its versatility knew no bounds, as it could be enjoyed as a side dish, a main course, or even a delightful dessert when paired with honey or cheese. The nobility, enamored by its rustic charm and hearty flavor, embraced mamaliga as a symbol of the land and its people, a humble tribute to the toil of the peasants who cultivated the maize fields. But mamaliga was more than just a dish. It was a culinary canvas upon which chefs showcased their creativity and ingenuity. From simple peasant kitchens to the palatial halls of royalty, mamaliga reigned supreme, earning its rightful place among the culinary elite. And so, mamaliga's rise to culinary fame was nothing short of spectacular, proving that simplicity and sophistication can indeed coexist harmoniously on the dinner table. Now, let's delve into the cultural significance of mamaliga, which extends far beyond its humble ingredients and simple preparation. Picture Romania, a land steeped in history, where traditions run deep and culinary customs are cherished as a vital part of national identity. Mamaliga isn't just a dish. It's a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness, reflecting the indomitable spirit of the Romanian people. Throughout history, it has served as a source of sustenance during times of hardship, its comforting warmth providing solace amidst adversity. But mamaliga is more than just a survival food. It's a culinary canvas upon which the vibrant flavors of Romania are showcased. From the rich, creamy textures of cheese-laden mamaliga to the hearty stews and savory meats that accompany it, every bite tells a story of tradition, heritage, and familial bonds. Beyond its role as a meal, mamaliga holds a special place in Romanian celebrations and rituals. Whether shared during weddings, festivals, or religious ceremonies, it fosters a sense of community and belonging, bringing people together in joyous unity. And let us not forget the role of mamaliga in passing down culinary traditions from one generation to the next. In Romanian households, recipes are handed down with care, ensuring that the art of mamaliga preparation remains a cherished family legacy. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or shall I say, the pot of mamaliga on the stove. While we've extolled the virtues of this beloved dish, it's essential to acknowledge both its merits and its limitations. So, let's dive into the delightful world of mamaliga with a critical eye and an open mind. First, let's explore the good. Mamaliga's simplicity is its greatest strength, offering a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Whether adorned with cheese, topped with stew, or served alongside grilled meats, Mamaliga adapts effortlessly to a myriad of flavors and ingredients, making it a versatile and satisfying dish for any occasion. But, like any dish, mamaliga isn't without its shortcomings. Some critics argue that its plain taste and dense texture may lack the complexity and refinement found in other culinary delights. However, to others, its unpretentious nature is its greatest charm, a comforting reminder of simpler times and the rustic flavors of the countryside. And now, let's address the million-dollar question: is mamaliga delicious? Well, my friends, that's a matter of personal taste. Some may find its hearty warmth and comforting simplicity utterly irresistible, while others may prefer more elaborate and exotic fare. But one thing is for certain: mamaliga has earned its place in the pantheon of Romanian cuisine, beloved by peasants and princes alike. So, the next time you find yourself craving a taste of Romania, why not give mamaliga a try? Whether you're seeking comfort, tradition, or simply a delicious meal, mamaliga is sure to satisfy your hunger and warm your heart. And there you have it, dear viewers, the tantalizing tale of traditional Romanian mamaliga. From its humble origins to its lofty status as a culinary icon, mamaliga continues to captivate hearts and palates around the globe. So, the next time you gather around the table with loved ones, why not pay homage to this timeless classic and savor a taste of history? Until next time, remember to keep your pots simmering, your taste buds tingling, and your hunger for knowledge insatiable. Pofta Buna, my friends!